Mastering Rust, If-Else Conditions Explained. A comprehensive guide to conditional logic in Rust programming. In Rust, the if statement checks a condition. Else if handles further checks, and else provides a fallback when no conditions are met. Rust requires conditions in if statements to evaluate to a Boolean. Logical operators help create more complex conditions, ensuring clarity and precision. Rust's if-let is useful for straightforward pattern checks, while match offers a comprehensive approach to handle multiple patterns, simplifying complex conditions. Rust's logical operators can short-circuit, skipping evaluations that are unnecessary, which can improve performance by avoiding redundant checks. If statements in Rust direct the program's execution path, allowing decisions based on conditions and altering flow with strategic placement of conditions. Nested if statements allow for multiple layers of decision-making, increasing complexity while maintaining readability through proper nesting practices. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.